Slickianna murder accused killed in alleged shootout with police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Rashawn Patterson, the man charged for the 2022 murder of social media influencer Anika Slickianna Townsend, was reportedly shot and killed during a confrontation with police at his Dundee Pen, Hanover home on Tuesday morning. Reports are that sometime after 6 a.m., a team of police were carrying out an operation in Dundee Pen when they went to premises where Patterson was located. The police said that Patterson was shot during an ensuing confrontation. The Independent Commission of Investigation has reportedly commenced a probe into the fatal shooting. When he last appeared in court, Patterson was ordered to return to court on October 15, 2025 by a High Court Judge Justice Judith Pusey, who further extended his bail. Townsend's body was removed by the Marine Police from an area in St. James on October 21, 2022. In that instance, the police provided this update.
The St. James Police have charged 33 years old Rashawn Patterson, otherwise called Chizzy, who is of a Harvey River, Hanover address, with the murder of 35-year-old social media influencer Anika Townsend, otherwise called Kean or Slickianna. Miss Townsend's body was retrieved by the Marine Police in the waters in the Reading area of the parish of St. James on the morning of Friday, October 21st, 2022. A post-mortem examination that was conducted on her body on November 5th concluded that her death was caused by strangulation. The post-mortem estimates that Ms. Townsend was killed at some time between the hours of 11 p.m. Thursday, October 20th and 9 a.m. October 21st. During the course of this investigation, a wealth of forensic, cyber forensic, and other technical evidence was collected. Following consultation with the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, the JCF Legal Services Division, Patterson was formally charged with murder this afternoon. The facts are that on Thursday, October 20th, Ms. Townsend traveled from Kingston to Montego Bay, where she was picked up by Patterson at approximately 7:30 p.m. During the course of the evening, they visited a restaurant in Hanover and a guest house in St. James. At some point in the night, an argument developed between them, which resulted in Ms. Townsend being strangled by Patterson and her body disposed. Additionally, a 47-year-old security guard, Mr. Rowan Rose, otherwise called Early B, has been charged with misprision of felony in relation to this same matter. Investigations are ongoing as it is suspected that Mr. Patterson may have been involved in other incidents similar to those for which he has been charged. As a result, detectives are appealing to the public for any information that may assist. Persons may contact the Montego Bay CIB at 876-684-9080 or Crime Stop at 311, Police Emergency at 119, or the nearest police station.
A post-mortem examination on the 35-year-old body was conducted on November the 5th of that year, concluded that her death was caused by strangulation. The police said in a release at that time that the post-mortem examination estimated that Townsend was killed sometime between 11 p.m. on October 20 and 9 a.m. on October 21st, 2022. According to the police, on October the 20th of that year, Townsend traveled from Kingston to Montego Bay, St. James, where she was picked up by Patterson at approximately 7:30 p.m. Patterson was subsequently arrested by the police in November of that year and subsequently charged with her murder. At the time of Patterson's arrest, he had absconded bail on another murder and rape-related charge. At the time of his arrest, a number of females came to social media giving their interaction that they had with Patterson. One female stated that was held up by Patterson at gunpoint, taken to a secluded area and sexually assaulted. The female then stated that she was shot and taken somewhere where her body was dumped. This was after Pattison and his cronies believed that she had died. However, the female survived the incident and was able to make a report to the police. Pattison had been under the police radar for some time. However, he always managed to escape the justice system. However, this morning it seemed as if his luck ran out. Full details as it relates to the confrontation that Pattison had with police this morning has not yet been released. However, Links 007 TV is on hand and we will provide you with updates to comment that. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.